In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or update your mobile number in the Bank of America app. Keeping your phone number current is important for receiving alerts, security codes, and account notifications, and the process only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening the Bank of America app and logging in as you normally do. Make sure you're on a secure connection, and feel free to use your device's biometric sign-in if you have it set up. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines that open up the main navigation panel. From the menu, scroll until you find Profile and Settings and tap it. This is the area where you manage personal details tied to your account, so it's the right place for updating your contact information. On the next screen, choose Contact Info. This page lists your email addresses, mailing address, and phone numbers associated with your profile. Now tap on Mobile Phone Number. This will open the section that controls the number used for text alerts and verification codes. Here, you'll see options to remove the current number or replace it with a new one. If you're switching phones or carriers, replacing is usually the better choice so you can continue to receive security codes without interruption. If you no longer want a mobile number linked at all, choose Remove, but keep in mind that removing it may affect how you receive certain alerts or verification messages. If you're adding a new number, double-check it before you proceed and make sure it can receive texts. After you've made your selection, tap Continue to confirm. The app will show you a brief summary of the change so you can verify everything looks correct. At this point, you may be asked to verify your identity before the update is saved. This could involve entering a one-time passcode sent to your existing number, your email, or another verification method shown in the app. Follow the on-screen prompts and don't worry, this step is there to protect your account. Once you complete verification, you should see a confirmation that your contact information has been updated. It's a good idea to return to the contact info screen to make sure the change is reflected. If you replaced your number, consider checking your alerts and security preferences so they continue to work as expected. And if you ever need help, the help or support section in the app can guide you. That's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and keep your contact info up to date to stay on top of your account.